Hello everyone, welcome back to All PC Geek. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check whether your PC is using UEFI or legacy BIOS using a free and reliable software called HWiNFO. This is very useful because many people get confused or frustrated when trying to install an operating system, especially Windows, and the installation fails due to BIOS mode mismatch. Don't worry, this tutorial is beginner friendly, and I'll guide you step by step. Let's get started. First, let me check my operating system type. Right-click on this PC and click Properties. You can also open File Explorer, right-click on an empty space and select Properties. Here you can see my system type is 64-bit, so I will download the 64-bit version of the software. Now open Chrome or any browser you prefer. In the search bar, type HWiNFO download and press enter. Once the page loads, click on the first link, which is the official HWiNFO website. When the site opens, scroll down to the installer section. Under Free Download, you'll see multiple server options. You can click on any server to start the download. After the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder, double-click the installer, and install the software. Once installation is finished, launch HWiNFO. When the program opens, select Full Mode and click Start. Now you'll see a detailed interface showing information about your PC hardware. On the left side, you'll find categories like CPU, memory, drives, graphics, and motherboard. On the right side, you'll see detailed technical information related to whatever component you select. To check whether your system is using UEFI or legacy BIOS, click on Motherboard in the left panel. Under the motherboard details, look for BIOS information. Here, you'll see items like BIOS version, BIOS date, and most importantly, BIOS mode. If it shows UEFI, then your system is using UEFI mode. If it shows legacy, then your system is running in legacy BIOS mode. As you can see on my screen, my PC is using UEFI, which is the modern and recommended mode for Windows 10 and Windows 11 installations. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to check whether your PC is using UEFI or legacy BIOS. This simple check can save you a lot of time and frustration, especially when installing or upgrading an operating system. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to All PC Geek, and share it with anyone who might need it. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment below. I'm always happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.